Zootopia, a gleaming city.
Move, 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 move! It's a big one.
Showtime.
You want to learn English, right? Then stop memorizing boring grammar, vocabulary, and sitting in boring classrooms for hours. Instead, start with these 5 incredible animations that can literally change your life.
Good feelings gone.
Every single one of them is fun, engaging, educational, and you're going to learn a ton of words, phrases, idioms, and grammar. So you don't have to sit in boring classrooms, memorize tons of words, and study grammar. Just follow me to know about these 5 incredible animations. Starting with number 1. Number 1 is Toy Story, a masterpiece from Pixar, a classic animation from 1995. This movie is about toys that move and talk when no one is watching. The story is fun, the English is clear, slow, and easy to understand. Number 2 is Zootopia from Disney. Zootopia is a city where animals live like humans. The characters speak clearly and naturally. The story is fast and exciting. The movie is full of modern, natural, and everyday English words. In short, this is exciting, fun, and great for beginners. The third movie of the list is Fu Panda, a brilliant comedy action from DreamWorks. This animation is about Po, a clumsy panda who dreams of becoming a kung fu master. English. Besides that, the characters speak with strong emotion, which literally makes it easier to understand. Plus, this is super fun to watch. You're gonna laugh and learn a lot throughout the whole movie. Number 4 is The Incredibles, another masterpiece from Pixar. The Incredibles is a thrilling animated movie about a family of superheroes trying to live normal lives. The English is clear and normal, with lots of everyday conversations and exciting moments. It's perfect for learners because the dialogue is easy to follow, and the story keeps you hooked from start to finish. If you want to learn English naturally, go watch it and have fun. And finally, number 5 is Finding Nemo, a heartwarming animation from Pixar. This movie is about a clownfish who gets lost and his father's journey to find him. The English is slow, clear, and emotional, which makes it perfect for beginners. In this animation, you will hear simple phrases, natural conversations, and you're going to learn real English while enjoying a beautiful story. Go watch it and have fun, and don't forget to learn. Okay, alright, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn English, watching these 5 incredible animations is 100% recommended. And I would be really glad to know which one of these movies you've seen or which one you want to see next. And thank you so much for giving your time. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one.